If your electronics or security systems stop working, Shan Networks is here to help. We install and maintain CCTV systems, server racks, network switches, and Wi-Fi setups. We handle fiber splicing, fiber cable pulling, and structured cabling for homes and offices. We also offer AC repair, washing machine and refrigerator repair, plus all types of electrical work, even LED wall displays. We install those too. Shan Networks, fast, professional, and reliable service. Contact us at 059-663-3195.